let's talk about a interesting parasite that you probably have heard of, but might not know what it is or what it does.
No, I've got scabies. So do I.
Yep, scabies, and it is not, like some people might think, a, bacteria or virus. It is actually an animal. This is a scabies mite, and this is what causes scabies. Who'd have thought? So the scabies mite, like other types of mites, are actually an arachnid, so that means they are related to spiders and scorpions. A similar disease that you've probably heard of is also caused by mites, which is mange. Mange is more common in animals other than humans, but humans can still get mange. But it is caused by a similar thing. It is caused by a mite, just a different type of mite than the one that causes scabies. So what happens, the mite gets attached somehow to a human host, whether through direct contact or between humans, or like if they were on bed or something and you slept on that bed, they get onto a new host. So some characteristics of a scabies infection is these little blister rash things that kind of look like pimples but aren't actually. So what causes those rashes is the mites burying into your skin and laying eggs in it, which does not sound great, does it? Those eggs then hatch into the baby scabies mites. They come out of the skin, go bury in somewhere else, lay their eggs, rinse and repeat. So again, scabies can be transmitted through direct contact most of the time, so if you have prolonged physical interaction with somebody with scabies, you are probably going to get scabies. Now, the best way to prevent a scabies infection is to completely avoid physical contact with somebody who has scabies, as well as avoid contact with their clothes, hair, bedding, any of that. However, if you do unfortunately contract scabies, it is not lethal. Like, you're not gonna die from this unless some weird shit happens, but it will be annoying, it will be uncomfortable, comparable to like lice. There are treatments for this, however. Fortunately, you can get like medications and like other products and stuff that kill off either the adult mites or the eggs, depending on what you get. So it's not any serious problem, it's just more of an annoyance because the rashes are really itchy and can be painful if you scratch them too much. But overall, it's not dangerous, it's just a thing that you don't really want to have, again, comparable to something like lice or mange.